Hi, and welcome to 60 Second Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to perform periodic maintenance on your Rosebud VC vital signs monitor. Periodic maintenance is important to ensure the accuracy of your vital signs readings. To begin, ensure that the monitor is powered all the way down by pressing and holding the power button for 4 seconds. If the LED turns orange, the monitor is not powered all the way down. You want to ensure that the LED turns completely off. Next, press the power button once to turn the unit back on. After a few seconds, you will hear a beep. When you do, press and hold the C button until you hear another beep. You are now in maintenance mode. Press the C button one more time to cycle to the temperature setting. You can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius using the blue blood pressure button. When you've selected the temperature of your choosing, press C again to change to the time settings. When you're in the time settings, you can use the adult, child, infant button to cycle between different digits of the time, and the blue blood pressure button to change the value of those digits. When you have set the time correctly, press C 5 more times. When you see the word OFF displayed on the screen, you can cycle it to ON by pressing the blue blood pressure button. Once it is set to ON, power the device down again by pressing and holding the power button for 4 seconds. Again, you want the light to turn all the way off, not orange. Once the vital signs machine is powered down, press the button once to power it back on. Congratulations! You've just performed periodic maintenance on your Rosebud VC vital signs monitor.